Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, I will be discussing the topic about the interior angle and exterior angle of a polygon. What are these angles? But before that, let us briefly recall what are polygons. We actually had this topic polygon in episode 18. So if you did not yet watch that episode, you may do so after this video. Okay, when we say polygon, this is a plane figure enclosed by three or more line segments. We have here various plane figures and our task is to choose or identify the polygons. Okay, polygon is a plane figure enclosed by three or more line segments. This figure is enclosed by four line segments. So this is a polygon. Okay, another is this figure. This figure is enclosed by three line segments. So this is also a polygon. We also have this figure, and this figure is enclosed by five line segments. So this is also a polygon. Okay, how about this figure? Take note, line segments are straight lines. This figure is not enclosed by straight lines. This is a curved line. So this is not a polygon. Same with this figure. This figure is not enclosed by straight lines. So this is not a polygon. Okay, how about this figure? Take note, polygon is a closed figure. Obviously, this is not a closed figure. This is an open figure, so this is not a polygon. Okay, how about a cube? Do we consider a cube a polygon? Cube is not a polygon because cube is not a plane figure. Okay, again, polygon is a plane figure enclosed by three or more line segments. Okay, this time, let's differentiate interior angle from exterior angle. Let's start with interior angle. I think you already have an idea because from the word interior, it means inside. So inside angle. When we say interior angle, this is formed by two adjacent sides of a polygon. Okay, let's give an example for you to understand the concept about interior angle. We have here a polygon, specifically pentagon. We will identify all the interior angles of this pentagon. Okay, interior angle is formed by two adjacent sides. Okay, this side is adjacent or beside this side. Okay, there is an angle formed and this is an interior angle. Okay, another. This side is adjacent or beside this side. There is an angle formed. This is also an interior angle. Okay, another. This side is adjacent to this side. Angle is formed and this is an interior angle. We also have this side which is adjacent to this side. Angle is formed. This is also an interior angle. And lastly, this side is beside or adjacent to this side. Angle is formed and this is an interior angle. So pentagon has five interior angles. Okay, what about exterior angle? You might think that this is an exterior angle, but this is not an exterior angle. This is a reflex angle. Okay, when we say reflex angle, this is less than or more than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. Okay, again, reflex angle is more than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. So what is an exterior angle then? When we say exterior angle, this is an angle formed at each vertex of a polygon by one side and extension of an adjacent side. Okay, let's give an example. From the word extension. Okay, let's say we will extend this side. If this is the interior angle, then the exterior angle will be this angle. Okay, another. If I will extend this side, if this is my interior angle, my exterior angle is this angle. Okay, another. I will extend this side. Okay, if this is my interior angle, then my exterior angle is this side. Extend this side. If this is my interior angle, then exterior angle is this side. This angle is equal to this angle because these are vertical angles. Vertical angles are always equal in measures. This angle is also equal to this angle because these angles are vertical angles. So one full angle is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, if you're going to observe, an interior angle plus exterior angle forms straight angle. And straight angle measures 180 degrees. So that means interior angle, okay, plus exterior angle, okay, is equal to 180 degrees because this is straight line, this is a straight angle measures 180 degrees. Okay, now let's move on to regular polygon. We actually had this topic also in episode 18, so this is just a quick review about regular polygon. Okay, when we say regular polygon, this is a polygon in which all sides are of equal length and all interior angles are of equal measures. So there are two conditions. First, all sides are of equal length. Second, all interior angles are of equal measures. Okay, let's give an example. I have here rhombus. We all know that rhombus, all sides are equal, but angles are of different measures. So rhombus is not considered a regular polygon because take note, all sides are of equal length and all interior angles must be of equal measures. Okay, another. Rectangle. Rectangles angles are all right angles, but length of each side are of different measures. So rectangle is not a regular polygon. Okay, we have this figure and this is a square. We all know that square, all sides are of equal length and all angles are right angles. So square is a regular polygon. Okay, in this triangle, this denotes that all sides are equal or of equal length. Angles are also of equal measures. So these figures are regular polygons. Okay, this time, let's answer this concept check question. We are going to fill in the blanks with the appropriate answers. So in the diagram, this is our diagram. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. Okay, this is angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are the interior angles of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay, so angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are the interior angles. Okay, these are the interior angles of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay, and angle ABE, so where's angle ABE? ABE. So meaning this angle. Angle ABE is blank of angle B. Okay, angle B is this angle. And angle B is an interior angle. So that means angle ABE is the exterior angle. Okay, this is the exterior angle of angle B with a measure of blank. Since the interior angle is 80 degrees, okay, remember interior plus exterior is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 80, then that means this is 100 degrees. So measure of 100 degrees. Okay, this time, let's answer these simple questions here. So answer the following questions about triangle ABC. So this is triangle ABC. First question is, indicate the interior angle formed by side AB and side AC and represent using symbol. Okay, where is side AB? This side. What about side AC? This side. Okay, represent using symbol. So indicate the interior angle. So that means this is the interior angle. And this is angle A. Okay, what about number 2? Indicate the exterior angle of angle B and find its measure. Okay, where is angle B? Angle B is this angle, and this measures 30 degrees. So where is the exterior angle of angle B? So let's extend, if we will extend this side, if this is our interior angle, that means this is, okay, this is our exterior angle. Interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 30, then that means this is 150 degrees. So this is the exterior angle of angle B, and its measure is 150 degrees.